Hey everyone! Welcome back to FixMyPhone Labs. Today we're tackling one of the most common iPhone problems I see. If your iPhone 16 speaker is crackling, buzzing, muffled, or just not sounding right after water exposure, don't worry. You're not alone, and in most cases, it's completely fixable without opening your phone or visiting a repair shop. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step through a real, practical, and safe fix that works in 2025, so you can get your speaker sounding clear and strong again in just a few minutes. First, let's quickly understand what's happening. When water gets trapped in the speaker grill, even a tiny amount, it interferes with the airflow and the movement of the speaker diaphragm. This can cause the crackling, buzzing, low volume, or muffled sounds you're hearing. Even though the iPhone 16 is water-resistant, water can still lodge behind the speaker mesh. Until it's completely removed, the sound won't fully recover. The good news is, we can force that water out safely using a specific sound frequency. Now, let's move to the fastest and easiest fix. Apple doesn't include a built-in water-eject feature for the iPhone 16, so I've created a free solution that works instantly. On your iPhone, open your browser and go to water-ejecttool.com. There's no app to download. Once you're on the page, tap Start Cleaning. The tool generates a 165 Hz frequency that pushes trapped water out of your speaker. Let it run for about 20 to 30 seconds. During this process, you may hear the tone shift slightly or even see tiny droplets coming out of the speaker. This is completely normal and exactly what we want. After the cleaning cycle finishes, wipe the speaker area with a soft cloth, and then test your sound by playing music or a video at around 50% volume. If the sound is clearer but still slightly distorted, don't worry. Run the tool again. Many devices need 2 or 3 cycles depending on how much water is trapped. Repeating the process is safe and often makes a big difference. If your iPhone was heavily exposed to water, like rain, shower steam, pool water, or accidental splashes, there may still be moisture deeper inside the mesh. In that case, turn off your phone, place it upright with the speaker facing downward, and leave it in a dry room for about 30 minutes. Avoid using hair dryers, heaters, or any direct heat sources, as these can damage the internal components, adhesives, or the display. Natural drying combined with the water eject frequency is far more effective and safe. At this point, most iPhone 16 speakers return to their original clarity. But let me explain when you should be concerned. If your speaker still sounds distorted after 24 hours, it may indicate debris lodged in the grill, or in rare cases, the speaker membrane could have been damaged while wet. While this doesn't happen often, it's something to keep in mind. Still, 9 out of 10 times, the crackling you're hearing is just trapped water, and this method resolves it almost immediately. Before finishing, do one last test. Play a video, ringtone, or high-pitched sound and listen carefully. If the audio sounds clear, loud, and free from buzzing, your speaker is fully restored. If there's still some distortion, repeat the cleaning process once more. It's completely safe to use multiple times. Thanks so much for watching. If this guide helped you fix your iPhone 16 speaker, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to FixMyPhone Labs for more real, practical, and fast phone fixes. And don't forget, you can always use the speaker cleaning tool anytime at water-ejecttool.com. Bookmark it for future emergencies. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.